that were somehow being trafficked in Africa. They have rescued big cats, lions, they even have tigers they've rescued. Wow. And they were busted at the airport and they took them. When a lion or a tiger has had a human interaction, it can never be released back into the wild.
Why is that?
They've had human interaction, they've been fed by humans, they're behind the curve. They'll never adapt.
Their lifespans also aren't that long.
No,
they're
lions,
like 16 years.
Yeah. 20 if you're lucky for a lion.
People always think of lions like, they're living 40, 50.
Yeah.
No.
And they live a rough life too.
Oh, yeah.